Just pulled your new UGREEN NAS out of the box? Congrats! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire initial setup process, from getting your NAS detected on the network to creating your admin account and setting up remote access. Let's get your new storage system up and running. You'll see 4 QR codes to choose your setup path. The first 2 are for the UGREEN mobile app, iOS and Android. The third is for desktop software, Mac and Windows. And the fourth takes you straight to the web setup portal. Choose the method that works for you, and we'll get started. First, let's start with drive installation. Use the drive tray key to unlock the drive tray by inserting it into the lock hole and turning right. Press the button as the image shown below and pull out the drive tray. Press on the press button on the back side of the drive tray and gently extend the clamp outwards. Place the hard drive into the tray. Push the clamp back, locking the hard drive into place. Insert the loaded drive tray back and push it till the end. Press on the lever to secure the tray into place. Repeat this step for each drive that will be installed. Using the hard drive lock key, lock the tray again by turning left. If you have M.2 drives you want to install into the NAS, using a screwdriver, loosen the screws of the bottom expansion compartment panel and remove the panel. You will then be able to see the RAM slot and 2 M.2 hard drive slots. Using a screwdriver, loosen the M.2 fixing screw. Align the M.2 hard drive connectors with the slot bay, then insert the drive into the slot at a slight angle. Tighten the screws. To add thermal silica gel to the M.2 drive, peel off the plastic film on the front and back of the thermal gel, then stick it to the M.2 drive. Place the panel and tighten the screws again. Connect to the power supply brick provided to the power port at the rear of the NASync device and to the power outlet or surge protector. Press the power button and light indicators at the front of the device will turn white to indicate the device is powering on. Once the device is powered on, connect it to the internet by connecting a LAN cable to the NAS device and your router. NASync devices are not able to connect via Wi-Fi. After powering on your UGREEN NAS, wait about 2 minutes, then head to find.ugreen.com in your web browser. This tool will scan your network and locate your device. Once it pops up, just click Connect. Alternatively, if you have the UGREEN mobile app, open it, tap More Connections, select your NAS, and click Register there. To start the configuration, give your NAS a name, read through the user agreement, and check the box to accept. You'll also see an option to participate in our Device Analysis Improvement Program. This is completely optional, so choose what you're comfortable with, and then click Next. Next, create your administrator username and a strong, secure password. Then click Next. Now, you can set up remote access using our free UG Link service. Simply enter your email address and click Get Verification Code. Be sure to read the user agreement and privacy policy, check the box, and enter your code to finish. You can also opt into our email subscription to stay updated on new products and services. If you'd prefer not to set up remote access right now, you can simply skip this step. After that, choose your system update method. You can have the NAS automatically install important security updates, choose to include new feature updates for your apps, or set it to notify you before any changes are made. Once you've made your selection, hit Initialize. This process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it finishes, you'll be taken directly to the NAS main screen. Click Start to follow the quick guided tour of the interface. And that's it! Your NAS is ready to go. Now, the next step is to set up your storage, so be sure to check out our next tutorial video, Setting Up Your Storage, UGREEN NAS Pools and Volumes Guide. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on screen for more tutorials and tips to get the most out of your UGREEN NAS.